Welcome back to Andersen Acres. We're here in the kitchen tonight, and tonight we are going to make a raspberry orange compound butter. This is a lot of fun to make and absolutely delicious to eat. So we are going to start off with half a cup of unsalted butter, okay? No salt, just butter. Kind of give that a little bit of a smash with a fork. You can use a mixer if you'd rather. For this one, I'm just using a fork because I don't want to squish up my raspberries too much. But if you'd rather it smoother, you can use a blender or a mixer. We're going to add about a quarter teaspoon of salt. Not a lot, just a little, okay? We're going to add a tablespoon of powdered sugar to sweeten it up. And then we are going to add a teaspoon of orange zest. Give that a little bit of a smash with your fork. This only takes a few minutes and it'll be ready to go just as soon as we're done. Now we're going to add a quarter cup of raspberries. I'm using fresh raspberries. You can use frozen if you like. Okay, it doesn't matter. Using frozen is completely fine. All you have to do is let those raspberries warm up to room temperature. Now we're just going to smush it all together. So you want to make sure it's fairly even. I like a little bit of marbling still, so that's one of the reasons I'm not using a blender or a mixer. But if you would like yours to be a little bit more consistent, you can absolutely 100%, there we go, put it in a blender and blend it till it's smooth and consistent. I still want some raspberry chunkiness in mine. There we go. And that's literally it. It only takes a couple of minutes to make. Again, you can use frozen raspberries. I didn't because I happen to have fresh ones. But if I didn't have fresh ones, I'd whip out the frozen ones. Just like that, you have a marvelous, delicious raspberry butter that is all ready for your next breakfast. Serve it on waffles, serve it on pancakes, put it on your toast. It is perfectly delicious. I happen to love it on my waffles. You, of course, can put it on whatever you like. It's delightful. And again, it only takes 2 minutes. It'll have a delightful orange flavor right underneath that raspberry. So hint of orange, powerful raspberry flavor. You can use more raspberries if you want it more intense or less raspberries if you'd like it a little softer. But that is literally it. So easy to make. Your whole family will love it. As long as you like raspberries. If you don't like raspberries, skip this one. Make the strawberry one instead. That's about it for us here tonight at Andersen Acres. Drop a comment below if you enjoyed this particular compound butter. See you tomorrow.